This is how you can sell your house in the next 60 days. We're not realtors, so we're not going to take any commission from the sale of your property. We are lenders, but this is a little secret from the industry. As lenders, we provide a lot of marketing materials for the realtors when they sell houses. And now we are going to provide all of that to you. We're going to deliver 25 pieces of marketing for your listing. And most importantly, we're going to promote 2 single property websites, not only to a realtor database, but also to the database of pre-approved buyers that we already have. This is what we want in exchange. One, we want to have an ad for those buyers buying your property. And number 2, if the property doesn't sell after 60 days, we ask you that you sit for 30 minutes with a listing agent of our choice just to hear them out and see how they can move that listing. In exchange, you're going to get all the marketing, you're going to get access to our database, and we're going to send you 2 ebooks. One on all the secrets on how to sell a house for sale by owner. The other one, all the secrets on how to do an open house. Oh, and by the way, we're also going to help you through the transaction with things like, do you need a title company? All the different intricate things that you need to know when you're selling a house. All you have to do is click on the link below, and we're going to set up a 30-minute consultation where we're going to start the process of creating that marketing. And in addition to that, we're also going to show you how, with finances, we can make your house the best price house in the whole market without lowering the purchase price.